You won't believe the impact of the current market trends on your investments. In today's video, we'll be discussing the recent changes in the market and what they mean for your personal finance. We'll explore the key trends, provide practical advice, and offer actionable tips to help you navigate the current financial landscape. The first major point to consider is the shift towards sustainable investing. With the growing awareness of environmental and social issues, many investors are now looking for ways to align their investments with their values. For example, a recent survey found that over 70% of millennials are more likely to invest in companies that prioritize sustainability. This shift has led to an increase in demand for ESG-themed funds, which have seen significant growth in recent years. Another important point to consider is the rise of digital banking and mobile payment systems. With the advancement of technology, it's now easier than ever to manage your finances on the go. For instance, mobile payment apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay have made it possible to make transactions with just a few taps on your phone. This has not only increased convenience, but also reduced the need for physical cash and cards. Finally, it's essential to stay informed about the current market trends and make adjustments to your investment strategy accordingly. One actionable tip is to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of low-risk and high-risk assets. This can help you minimize losses during market downturns and maximize gains during upswings. Here are the key takeaways from today's video. The shift towards sustainable investing is on the rise. Digital banking and mobile payment systems are becoming increasingly popular. Diversifying your portfolio is crucial for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on the current market trends. Please like, subscribe, and comment below to join the conversation.